Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and today I am in Los Angeles with Haruki. I flew in yesterday and all I did today was pretty much eat breakfast. I made a couple TikToks. Our toaster was broken, so they brought us another toaster, but now we are going to spontaneously ride in a Lamborghini and I'm very confused. We're just gonna go with it. Let's go.
What?
All I heard was Lamborghini.
She has no idea what I was saying. Today. You want husky, right?
I want a Pomsky.
Pomsky.
It's a
mix
between
with
a Pomeranian and Husky.
So it doesn't grow as much as... No, that's good, that's good. Yeah. Which one you like so far? Blue or green?
I like both, but I really like the blue is like more
Matte, yeah. I like that too. Matte. But it's convertible though. You don't like that?
Yeah. Well, I like it. The only reason why I don't like it is because it dries out my content.
Yeah, right. I like green. I think I want a Lamborghini rather than Tesla right now.
No, you don't.
We bought Lamborghini.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper. Been all the further ways. But everything again.
How was the experience?
It was good.
It was good. You were gonna pass out, weren't you?
No.
Did you enjoy it? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I get one, what do you think?
Tesla.
She still likes Tesla. You like this one?
Yeah. Look like a do not feel like we're going 70.
Wait, it's 70? Wow.
Yeah, this thing like
It's crazy.
It picks up and it's pretty. It's kind of heavy, but it doesn't feel heavy. You know.
Honestly, today is the best day in my life ever.
Bro.
Really? Not our wedding day?
Oh shit.
I like speed.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
You too.
Thank you. So what did you get?
I got pearls, fluorite bracelet,
Yeah?
lapis bracelet, and
Look at these.
necklace.
Boy, I can tell, so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry, that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough?
Oh my gosh, what the heck? Really? Why are we both filming at the same time?
We are in San Diego. We are going to a park today and we had breakfast this morning. Are we going to a pet store? Haruki wants a dog.
I want Shiba Inu so bad.
We're at the Japanese garden. I didn't know that there was a Japanese garden even
either.
here. It was
So
really
good.
close to us too. So pretty. I really like Japanese gardens, to be honest. We did have one of these and Haruki killed the 10-year-old bonsai that we had. These are so pretty. Oh, I love this one. How old do you think this is? Oh wait, it says it. 45 years old. Wow, that's crazy. Onakasuita.
お腹すいた。
Nani tapatai.
アイスクリーム食べたい。
Ice cream.
アイスクリーム。
Ice cream.
お、
Oh,
食べたい。
tapatai. Yeah, we gotta find ice cream.
春樹の
Haruki no.
金庫。
I'm not saying that.
Cause I'm not your girlfriend.
Did I tell you about the time where I gave the ice cream man a fake dollar?
Fake dollar?
Yeah, did I tell you about the time where I gave the ice cream man a fake dollar?
No.
I gave the ice cream man a Monopoly dollar when my mom told me not to, but I went out anyway and did it. And I actually bought these with it.
Wow, you actually did it?
Yeah. And then the ice cream man came knocking at the door and told my dad that I gave him a fake dollar, and my dad yelled at me and had to pay the ice cream man back.
I'm surprised that the guy came down to...
I know, that's what I was thinking. Ice cream. And you got, what kind of smoothie did you get?
I actually don't know, but it's mixed berries.
Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Not really vibing with the chicken sandwich because they literally put like no sauce on it. Should have just ordered a damn papadilla from Papa John's. I've been obsessed with those lately. My friend Lauren's literally the first person to ask a question, and she asked a couple. What is your favorite zodiac signs besides your own? Well, I was gonna say Libra, but since I can't say that, obviously Aquarius, Lauren. I really like Libras though. We just get each other, you know? Favorite place to shop? Probably Garage, Zara, Savage X Fenty, H&M sometimes. My favorite part of LA. Probably the energy, being able to connect with other creators a lot more easier. Like you meet one person here, like one person equals like 10 to 20 different people pretty much. Like there's so much networking going on here, so you meet a lot of new people, very unexpectedly too. The weather is immaculate. What's my favorite movie? I like Fast and Furious. I like all of the movies. I grew up watching them. You believe in karma? 100% yes. Like what goes around comes back around. I just believe in energy in general, and karma is energy, so yeah. Can you make a city tour video, like your favorite hidden places in New York? I would love to do that actually. I know a lot of places actually that like tourists wouldn't necessarily find, so I definitely will keep that in mind.
Take me to